Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 is up to date and the Xbox Game Bar app is installed. First, open Settings, go to Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar and ensure the toggle is on. Next, sign into your Microsoft account because some features require it. Once done, restart the PC to apply updates and settings. These quick checks remove common blockers so you can proceed to deeper fixes without wasting time on basic setup. Now you move into the detailed execution. Open Settings, Apps, find Xbox Game Bar, and choose Advanced Options. Try Repair first, then Reset if needed because Reset clears cached data. If that fails, run PowerShell as administrator and re-register the app package. This rebinds system components. Also make sure gaming services and Microsoft Store are updated and update your GPU drivers. Outdated drivers block overlays. Once these steps complete, finish by verifying permissions and final diagnostics. Check Game Bar shortcuts and allow background apps so the overlay can run. If it still fails, create a new local user and test Game Bar there to rule out profile corruption. As a last system-level fix, run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair Windows components. If problems persist after these steps, one key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode with networking and see if a clean boot or conflict causes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.